What is the most embarrassing thing in your room?
What?
Just give her the.
Myself.
Very funny.
No.
This part is radio.
I said myself. That's my answer.
Yeah, are you in your room now?
I'm a thing.
Yeah, you
You have even wrong.
I said presently.
Okay,
I said
presently.
presently.
Big.
She don't miss some. She don't miss some.
Okay.
No. Let's make it.
You should know a woman actually
Somebody
pick
should
eggs.
be-
I'm
I
being
want to see
serious.
She's going to pick.
Why you not pick egg?
She's picking line.
Even if I pick eggs, I won't actually take it.
And we'll give you something of our own choice.
Eggs.
I want lime.
Like,
I want lime and actually have lime.
Thank God.
See, half the cup.
Guy did.
Can you let me save myself?
No.
Self kidney.
Seven.
Okay.
No eggs. Half the cup.
I would love to be your bartender today.
Hey, bad.
Lime is not meant to be too
Yeah,
much.
not too much though.
Yes.
Too small.
Hunger. You're like.
Don't block her face. Let us see her expression, please.
She just squeeze
At
face.
once, so not slowly. At once.
How many years we spend
At
here?
once.
Swallow
Swallow
it.
it.
Swallow
Swallow
it.
it.
Mudra.
Mad.
You don't even slap her.
Hey, I pissed out. Okay.
Guys, the thing say, if they try not to squeeze your face, you go to laugh. You go to laugh. I'm not the Alright.
Yeah.
On to the next. Wait, I'm the next person, Sha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Summer.
That's the one there.
What do you want?
Phone search.
Okay.
Go to your WhatsApp.
My WhatsApp search need to
No,
work.
I'll go there for you. Just unlock.
My WhatsApp search need to work.
Why?
Let's see her face.
Wait till I show you. In case you don't believe me, I'll show you.
Why should you show us?
And I'll show the camera. I don't know. See, you know they work. You know they work.
No one I pick on search.
Go to your video player and scroll down to X.
No delay. Laptop.
You can't do it.
We wish your laptop. Why here?
My phone is clean.
Time out. Time up. Oh, yeah. Egg.
No, nah. I should skip to what?
They say you skip to X.
I should search for X.
X, yeah.
Where I go search for? Okay.
You see X Infinity. You see another Xavier, X-Men.
No, search.
Are you just talking to them? Or
Ah!
I really don't like
Wait. Wait.
Infinity.
Oh yeah, show camera out.
Ah, Omo.
I'm seeing Naira Marley.
Naira Marley.
X.
Basically.
I beg next.
I'm a clean man. I am a clean man.
Yeah.
I am a clean man.
Quickly, man.
You mean you are pure clean?
Okay, Samuel.
Camera, do phone search.
Don't look related questions.
Do phone search.
Ah, thank God. I like this.
Don't look related question.
Just get it wrong.
Ding, ding, ding.
What's
Better asking the tough one, you know you
Ask me a
can.
very tough question.
You.
Someone on my guy now.
But
I
it
don't
might
want
take time.
this.
Ask me
He hasn't taken any.
What eggs?
What OG's surname?
Maybe you could give OG son in the.
What's OG's surname?
Shall you give OG son in the script?
OG has his son in, yes. Yes.
I give you no.
Even me, if I don't know my son name, what's the problem?
Relevant.
What's the problem?
Prove it.
Samuel
If
Jare.
If I find son name, you're in trouble.
Samuel Jare. Who was the person? Wait. Something again. Ah.
Time, please.
You
Don't
know
take
best
time.
Who was the
Abi,
junior
take time, I beg.
that Emilia was shouting at?
They say. Listen, I don't know.
Is she shout at a junior?
In the music room.
Dun, dun.
You didn't give them name. They were extras, bro.
It's extra.
Yeah, they were extras.
Shit.
I don't think they were extra.
I don't think they were extras.
I
I'm
mean,
not sure.
I don't think she was an extra.
Okay, OG does not.
Oyin.
Son name.
Wrong.
Wrong.